What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We are here in my garage at the Barber CVO garage with the 2019 Streetlight CVO. I'm actually doing a product review on the new Ciro LEDs. Beautiful, beautiful lights. Very, very nice. I actually added a couple extra ones to the mix because I like my stuff nice and bright and just incredible. When you want a white color, this is definitely the ones to see because these things are beautiful. Look at that. Right on the floor. The green for Ciro. Thank you, Ciro. You guys are a tremendous company. Definitely pick up right there. Also Ciro down there as well. It's right there. The whole bike is Ciro. Very nice. You got the lights back here from Ciro as well. Lights right there. So like I said, this LED system, I'm gonna turn off the bike so you guys can check it out. The lights are gonna turn off. We're gonna go in complete darkness so you guys can see how it looks. Nice and bright. Changes colors. Like I said, I did add some new lights. You know what I'm saying? I added one down there underneath the pod. I added a couple back there. I don't know if you can see it. I got like 5 in the bottom. I got 1 long strip down there. I got 2, let me see if I can get in here. 2 LEDs, long strips down there because I want it to be nice and bright on the floor. And the main thing, I added was on the bottom of the floorboards. You can't really see it when you're riding, but on the bottom of the floorboards, I added the lights right there so you could actually see it from the bottom of the bike. Excellent, excellent, very nice. Let's go on the other side so you guys can check it out. Like I said, these are the Ciro LEDs. Make sure you pick them up on their website. Very nice. Very, very nice. Like I said, underneath I added a whole bunch of LEDs in the bottom. 2 on the bottom here. Added 1 right there in the corner. Just really nice. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when the white LED, and the white LED is very nice. Look how it looks from the back. The white LED really stands out, and you really want a white color, this is the one to do. I had the XK Glow. I really did not like that company. A lot of the LEDs were melting on me. The plugs were unplugging. Wasn't feeling it. These are good. Oh, and I also have them on here. They're like a ring that goes right there by the wheel. Those you have to buy separately. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in white now. So it's solid white. Here it is. Beautiful white LED. Love the way it looks. All right, here we go with the Ciro colors. Nice and green. Ciro all the way, baby. And This thing bright in the front. You'll see me coming. Look at that. Another feature it has is breathing mode. So if you're ever at like a show or something, you can put it on breathing mode and this thing will breathe away. Go around again. Breathing mode. And if you want to get crazy and you're at a party, just put on the flash strobe and you'll get full flash. Like I said, you could put it any color you want as well. I mean, this one I'm definitely never gonna probably use it, but you know, if you're like on the highway or something and you wanna flash it up just to make sure that you don't know everybody sees you, definitely put these on. All right, guys, there you have it. With the Ciro product LEDs, make sure you go out and get them. Definitely worth the money. Don't hesitate, get on the website and get on this. Ciro, thank you very much for the LEDs. A fantastic company, and make sure everybody definitely checks it out. All right, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this product here from Ciro. LEDs on the full system for the whole entire bike. All right, talk to you guys till next time. Peace out.